America is mad for avocados, but we go bonkers for them at Super Bowl time. And while I know nothing about American football, I do know my way around an avocado. Here are my top 4 tips to make your avocado picking and prepping a total breeze, and they come straight from an avocado farmer. To identify a ripe avocado at the store, do not pick off that little stem to see the color underneath. This is a myth. The color won't actually tell you the level of ripeness, but what will happen is that the flesh just underneath will ripen faster than the rest of the avocado, so when you do go to open it, that part might be brown. The only way to determine ripeness is to just give it a gentle squeeze. If it just gives, it's ready. If it's soft and mushy, it's overripe. Do not refrigerate your avocado unless it's already cut open. This fruit is unlike any other fruit in your kitchen. It doesn't depend on sugars to ripen, it depends on oils. So think about how you buy olive oil or even olives in your supermarket. They're not stored in any refrigerated section because the cold can affect flavor, and it definitely affects texture. Think about olive oil in a refrigerator, it kind of starts to solidify. So if you want a buttery, delicious avocado, you want that at room temperature. Do not scoop out the flesh. Before making our How Does It Grow episode on avocados, I was totally guilty of this. The best way to remove flesh without leaving any precious bits behind is to peel, not scoop. After cutting the avocado open, cut each half in 2 again. Then peel the skin away from each wedge. Easy peasy. The best part is that you don't lose any nutrients, which are most concentrated in the flesh just below the skin. There have been a million recommendations on how to keep avocado from turning brown, from rubbing olive oil on it or dipping it in lemon-scented water. We just have to give up the ghost on this one. The truth is, nothing will keep your avocado from turning brown unless you have one of those vacuum-packed sealers that suck out all the oxygen. The best tip I can give you is to look past the browning. That's just a natural result of exposure to oxygen, and it doesn't actually affect the flavor if you're using your avocado within 1 to 2 days of opening. So now that you're a master of avocado picking and prep, you really need to join the rest of the internet who have watched our incredible story of how avocados grow. Magical forests, lovely people. Magical forests.